Welcome to English with the Bexleys.
John, can you come to the kitchen?
What's up?
The sink is clogged. The water is not going down.
I see.
We need to call a handyman.
No need. I can fix it. I'm the king of repairs.
Yes, and the king of problems. Do you remember the chair, Your Majesty?
Which chair?
You tried to fix a chair. Then we had to burn it at fireplace.
Oh, it was many years ago. Come on, Mary. A plumber costs extra money. It's expensive.
Okay, just try a plunger. Then call a plumber.
We will see. Push, pull, push, pull. It didn't work. Okay. Let's try another way.
Can I help, Daddy? I have my toy hammer.
Of course. You are my assistant.
Oh no. One king is enough for this house. This is not a good idea.
There is a screw here in the sink. It is very old and rusty.
Can you open it, Daddy?
Yes, I can. Can you give me the screwdriver?
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you, buddy. It is very tight. I can't move it.
Hit it, Daddy. Hit it with the hammer.
Good idea. Can you give me the hammer and chisel?
Hammer. Chisel.
John, stop! Don't use a hammer on the sink.
Everything is under control. Don't worry. No, it is still stuck. Oh, I can open it with drill. I'm brilliant. Timmy, there is a drill in the toolbox. Can you give it to me?
Okay, Daddy.
Come on. Oops, it slipped.
Wow! It is raining in the kitchen.
John! What are you doing?
I think I made it worse. Buddy, don't drink the water. It's dirty. Let me take Buddy out to the garden and change your clothes.
I am turning off the valve. Calm down, John. Now call a professional plumber, please.
Okay, you are right. I'm calling. Whoa! Did you refilm the Titanic movie here? Do I look like Leonardo DiCaprio?
No, John. You look like a wet king.
Okay, let me check. Oh, big problem. Can you fix it? Yes, but now we need a new pipe. A new pipe? Yes, because there is a big hole in it. Oh no. Look, I usually use this drain cleaner. It is only $5 and very easy. $5? That is cheap. But that will be $80 now, please. Thank you. You are welcome. Mary, I just wanted to save money for our vacation next week.
I know, but sometimes we need help. John, look at this kitchen.
I'm sorry.
You made this mess. You clean it, king of mops.
Clean. Clean. Do you fix things at home? Or do you call a handyman?
Well done, John. The floor is clean now. You deserve a coffee.
That is great.
My hairdryer doesn't work.
Shall I fix it?
No! Our home insurance doesn't cover this.
Maybe I can't fix, but I can plan a trip. Next week, we book a hotel, buy tickets, and travel. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and don't miss it.